In this video, we are going over the installation instructions of our EchoSense Quick Clamp Ultrasonic Flowmeter. First is the recommended installation location, followed by mechanical installation, then electrical installation, and finishing off with parameter setup. First up here is our recommended installation location. During installation, correct positioning is crucial. Whether you're dealing with vertical or horizontal pipes, our Flowmeter has you covered. For vertical pipes, simply choose a pipeline with a flow from bottom to top. As for horizontal pipes, select a position where the pipe is filled, such as lower spot in a diagonal pipe. Avoid placing it directly above or below the flow to eliminate intrusion from pesky air bubbles and sediments. For optimal performance, we recommend these positions: on the side, slightly above, or slightly below the pipe. Next up here is our mechanical installation steps. It will only take you 3 steps to finish the whole mechanical installation. When installing on larger diameter pipes, remember that the larger the pipe, the more prone it is to deformation. Carefully select an appropriate installation location. Prior to installation, ensure that the clamp is in the loosened position. Step 1. Clamp. Once you have identified the right installation spot, securely attach the EchoSense Ultrasonic Flowmeter by clamping the upper and lower brackets around the pipe. During installation, avoid applying excessive force to the device body to prevent any risk of damage. Step 2. Screw. Secure the screws at the 4 corners of the upper cover. For optimal performance and even force distribution, it's recommended to lightly tighten the screws in a diagonal sequence. Then repeat the diagonal sequence to ensure a secure fit. Step 3. Tight. After securing the screws, align the EchoSense Ultrasonic Flowmeter in the recommended installation direction. Pull the upper cover towards the direction of the screen and lock the lower cover knob. When locking the knob for the final time, remember to pull the main unit toward the direction it is facing. This ensures that the gasket adheres closely to the pipe surface, resulting in more accurate measurements. After completing the installation, avoid any displacement or twisting of the main unit to prevent the rubber gasket from coming off. That's it! Quick and easy Flowmeter installation onto your pipe. Next up now is our electrical installation steps. In order to get our device up and running, follow these steps for connecting the main unit's 2-meter long 8-pin cable to the power source and necessary communication links. You will find a total of 9 different color wires in the cable, with each color corresponding to a distinct function. Carefully connect the wires according to the functionality you require. For any wire ends that you won't be using, it's essential to protect them with insulating material. This precaution ensures that your main unit remains safe from electrical leakage or short circuits. A crucial reminder: before you proceed with any actions involving opening the main unit or making connections, please make sure to turn off the power and remove the power cord. And now is for the parameter setup to finally start your flow measuring. LORRIC recognizes the hassle of putting on too many information on the device in order just to finish the parameter setup. That's why we have developed a new software feature which we call the Easy Setup that allows the device to automatically detect all of your pipe's key information. You can simply activate this to immediately start your flow measuring. Z02 Auto Pipe Spec. Go to Setup page, choose Z Easy Setup, go to Z02 Auto Pipe Spec, click Enter, choose Start, then Done. Z03 Auto Initialization. Go to Setup page, choose Z Easy Setup, click Enter, go to Z03 Auto Initialization, click Enter, choose Start, then Done. Once you have completed the previous steps, you're ready to start using your Flowmeter. However, if you encounter measurement errors, consider the following actions when the conditions are suitable. Z04 Origin Setting. To enhance measurement accuracy, perform this step when the pipe is full of liquid and stationary. Use Z04 to calibrate the Flowmeter's 0-point signal. Here's how to do it. Go to Setup, choose Z Easy Setup, go to Z04 020 Offset, click Enter, and then Start. The 020 offset process takes about 30 seconds. Then Done. Z05 Proportional Coefficient. If you have other Flowmeters available for comparison at your installation site and their readings differ from the LORRIC Flowmeter, you can adjust your instrument's indication value. To do this, use the formula target value divided by meter indication value equals the value that the Z05 should be adjusted to. For example, if your target value is 300 liters per minute, and your current Flowmeter indicates 100 liters per minute, you should adjust Z05 to 3. Here's how to do it. Go to Setup, Z Easy Setup, Z05 Scale Factor, click Enter, Edit. Input your adjustment factor and save it. Once done, select Save and Done. Following these steps can significantly improve the accuracy of your measurements, especially when you're dealing with low flow rates. You're all set for precise flow measurements. Now, your device is ready to provide precise and reliable flow measurements. For any further assistance or inquiries, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Visit our website below or call us for expert support.